Lululemon, more like the Lululemon. Firehouse. Steak and cheese melt. Oh, that looks good.
42 grams of protein.
Oh, I'll get my fill of protein today. Oh my god, I just realized what I ordered, medium, is 1,000 calories. Well, I wish he was carrying me instead. And trust me, if he did, girl, I would be flooding my basement.
She could take a time and I know. And the pain you wear.
Oh my god, I cannot upload this on Facebook. Copyright. How am I supposed to eat all of this? It is so big. It's okay, I'm used to putting big things in my mouth. So, what the hell? Oh, it has peppers? Oh my god, it's gonna be spicy. Am I gonna die?